Hello guys, this is my Gmail and I want to show you something that I got yesterday, August 4th. Here, congratulations, you have a PayPal payment from InboxDollars. InboxDollars Incorporation .dba inboxdollars.com has sent you $30 with 3 cents. Congratulations, you have received a PayPal payment from InboxDollars. Head back to InboxDollars to keep earning towards your premium. Transaction details, August 4, 2020. And please note, it may take a while for this payment to appear in the activity section of your account. Let's see. Log in. There you go, InboxDollars Corporation, payment received. It's here. Woo! Now, summary. Accept the money. Transfer it to your bank. Wells Fargo. Next. Transfer now. Woo! Transferred it now. And that's how I prove this is real. The actual pay. Alright, thank you so much everyone. And for those that don't believe and say this is a scam and it doesn't work, well, here it's on your face. Peace out, people. I know I said peace out, but I forgot to show you here that your transfer was successful. Service at paypal.com. Let's see. You transferred money to your bank. You used your Visa X0716 for this transfer. The money should be in your bank now. Let's go. This is real, people. So don't be saying it's fake. Alright? You haters. Real fast, I just want to show my bank account that it's here so you haters don't say it's fake. Let me just enter over here, my people. Alright. Let's see the transactions. It's right here. Transfer, PayPal, Magda money transfer. Magdalena Jason from San Jose, California, 95131. Money transfer merchants. Let's go. That is proof. What other proof do you want? Alright, peace out, people.